So Mo here from Dr. Waters Chiropractic, and I'm just driving down to our Kingston office down in Good Soil Co-working Professional Suites, 29 John Street. And the reason I'm making this video today is I want to share my top 3 favorite tips for helping to manage with neck and shoulder pain. And the reason why I'm showing this today is literally yesterday I had 4 patients back to back with a lot of neck and shoulder pain, a lot of suffering. It wasn't pretty in some of those cases, and they've been suffering a lot of those conditions for quite a while. So my very first tip for dealing with neck and shoulder pain is why I'm driving in the car today showing this video is headrests. Whether we're driving in the car, whether we're at home on the couch, whether we're in our office, keeping our head back on the headrest is one of my favorite tips for patients who are suffering with neck and shoulder pain. The reason being, when we drive with our head forward posture like this, it puts a lot of pressure through the neck and shoulders. It's doing a lot of work through there. It can pinch the nerves in there as well, and it can be a major causative factor as well as a trigger for patients who are suffering with problems in that area. So a simple tip, as much as possible, keep your head back on the headrest. My second favorite tip is mobilization. And the best place to do mobilization is, I believe, in the shower. Why, you ask? Because you can utilize heat and mobilization together. So I use a simple technique which I like to call around the world, which involves standing in the shower, looking upwards with the jet of water coming down, and quite simply you move your neck around that jet of water, that it never hits your face. You're moving slowly around that jet of water, mobilizing that neck with that heat. It's going to feel really nice. You can do that one daily, 8 times one way, then 8 times the other way. And that combined with the heat's going to feel really nice there. It can really help with neck conditions. My third favorite tip for dealing with neck and shoulder pain is quite simply for those people who use laptops or computers at home or the office. And that's bringing the laptop close to you. Having the keyboard, if you've got a desktop, or having the laptop in front of you with papers and whatnot, where you're having to type and lean forward like that crane forward position, puts again a lot of pressure through the structures in the neck. It can be a really irritating factor with those patients who are dealing or suffering with neck problems and neck pain and shoulder problems as well. So quite simply, bringing the laptop and computer closer to you, that you're nice and upright typing rather than that head forward posture, is going to make a world of difference. So once again, my top 3 tips are quite simply: 1, headrest; 2, using the mobilization around the world shower technique with the heat; and number 3, having that laptop or that computer brought close to you rather than reaching out to it. Now I hope those things help out. For patients who use these techniques and still notice neck pain, still notice shoulder pain, quite simply it could be because these conditions may be a severe case of neck and shoulder pain, or it could have just been a long-term condition where it's been like a repetitive strain injury building up over some time. So in those cases, definitely do see your local chiropractor. I'm sure they can help out. Hope that's helpful. All the best. Thank you.